Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we'll show you how to replace the burner cap in a GE range. It's going to be an extremely easy job. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new burner cap. The burner cap covers the burner base, forming the flame into a round shape. This particular burner cap is for the large burner. The main reason for the burner cap replacement is if the protective enamel is badly damaged or if it's simply missing. We're going to start with removing the burner grate, and then I'm going to lift off the old burner cap. This is the old burner cap next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Bring in the new cap and install it on the top of the burner base. And then we can slide the burner grate. This step goes underneath of the one which is at the rear. And put it down. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.